Hello everyone. Today I just want to share a quick tip here about writing warning as error. So as you can see right there, uh, if you're creating a script that may create a variable that you're not using right now, let's say that you're updating your position and then you later you want to save your previous position, but you're not going to use it right now. So you just declare as you can see, you get a warning saying that you declare, but you didn't give any um, value and you're not using. So the compiler will give a warning saying the variable previous position is declared but never use it. And that's the problem. We don't want to ignore these warnings. We want to avoid problems, errors in the future, so we can't ignore them. So you go to Edit, Project Settings, Player, and Other Settings, and in the additional compiler arguments, you paste this code that is appearing on the screen. And after you hit Apply, uh, it will recompile all your scripts and treat all the warnings as errors. As you can see, I can't play the game anymore because it's now a compiler error, so I can't just play. I need to fix that. Even though it's a simple example, you can imagine that how that scales in big bigger games. Uh, so yeah, that's that's how you can do it to avoid problems in the future. And I hope you guys like it. See you next time. Bye.